From the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Winson, independent sales rep and national recruiter with Avon, and today I'm going to talk about Campaign 9. Yes, I am late telling you about it. We've had fires here, and I went out to put brochures out, and it was still a little bit windy. But from doing that and have my car window open as I'm out and about, I got something in my eye, and I haven't been able to wear makeup for quite a few days. And so today's my first day of wearing eye makeup. So I still have a little bit of redness in my eye because I definitely got something in them. But so I apologize. But Campaign 9 has all kinds of hair care at the very beginning of it. And when you have a $25 purchase, you get a free gift of, see these little, the travel sizes of shampoo and conditioner. Awesome, huh? And we also have a new serum that is one that you put in after you have washed, done your shampooing. You put it on um, for the rinse part of it, the conditioner part of it, and you put it down around your root line. And then a couple other new products we have are dry shampoos. We have one that is a clear and visible one. And then we also have a bunch of other ones that are different colors. And so if you have some grays or whites showing through, you spray this along your root line. And so it's kind of like a gray red touch up as well. So that's kind of a cool thing. But we have all kinds of new hair care products in there. Do try them out. And if you don't use the dry shampoo, we have the awesome gray red touch ups. I use those regularly. My grays come back so fast. I was blessed with them in my early, I mean, your really young years. I've been having those whites and grays coming through. And then our used to be Inspira. Now it's Retune. We have hydration drinks, and they have some great electrolytes and minerals and all kinds of things that you're needing. You just put one of these in your water bottle, shake it up, and it's going to help you get that hydration that you need. And everybody should be drinking a lot of water because that helps get hydrating your body. And guess what? That helps with your skincare. Remember, I talk about skincare all the time? Well, hydration does help with that too. And we also have our Ideal Cleanse. It's a 3 day, really gentle cleanse. You should do it like starting the night before the full moon. And I think the full moon's like the 26th of April. You might want to check that to be double sure. But so start on the 25th. And then we also have for your hair, skin, and nails supplements for them. And I really do. I mean, my nails got really strong from using those. I've tried all kinds of other products, but I do really. I'm glad that they came back with those. We also have roller balls as well as oils. This one is for de-stressing. It's a just a roller, so you can actually just roll it on your pulse points. And today I am using our new um, Magic Tint. We've had Magic Tint. We have like 3 different kinds of Magic Tint now. We have an oil-free one as well as the original one, and they are more of like a sheer to medium coverage, and they're both buildable. That's a big key word, buildable. And then we also have one that is um, a natural one, and that's just a sheer one. So all kinds of colors. And if you don't know what color you want, if you actually go to my e-store or your representative's e-stores, put in Magic Tint, and then go in and find the one that you want to try, and put on that you there's a button, and you can click on it, and it will bring up tell you want the camera option, and it'll bring actually your picture on, and you can just keep playing until with the different colors until you find one that is just the one that you like. So it's a great way to get the right shade. And we also have our great lipsticks. I'm wearing the Honey Mandarin, and it has the bioretinol in the center of it. It's the only we're the only lipstick that has that, and that helps with those fine lines. So if you want to get rid of your fine lines in your lips, that's a great one for that. And then we also have our new other new lipsticks in this beautiful red tube. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And skincare, you know me and skincare. Um, our Belief has like a little travel one, and in it, it has the travel size now of our sleep mask. And that is a really nice, it's just a really nice, gentle gel one that you put on at night. You can use it with or without your nighttime moisturizer, and your face gets so much hydration during the night when you're sleeping. And this time of the year, sun is out a lot more. Make sure you use your sunscreens. And our new, it's not new, we've had it for quite some time. Our hydration line, Hydrofusion line, it has an SPF 50, which is a broad spectrum, meaning it fights the UVA and the UVB rays, so the aging and the burning rays. So, great one that you should use is for that. And then we have primers, all kinds of primers. Love primers. How did I live without them? I don't know. And now I use them all the time. And Physiogel has a Derma Cleanser. It is a really super gentle cleanser. Even you can use it on babies. It's just a really nice gentle cleanser. Um, I really like that. I've been using that since I started just recently using that. And we've been out and about not as much, and so we haven't been I haven't used my resurfacing expert. This is like a microdermabrasion in a jar. I've noticed I was getting a little bit of excess here. I wear a APAP, and so I'm sure that that thing that goes across my face is making a little bit more difference. And so I got my order in. I didn't realize I was out. But it's in a little dropper, and it's a microdermabrasion in jar. You just put it on day or night underneath all your serums and moisturizers, and you don't have to rinse it off. But it's like a microdermabrasion in a jar. It gets rid of all that dead skin and just helps. I mean, I've already noticed, and I've only used it a couple days, so love, love, love. All kinds of perfumes, and we do have a lot of scratch and sniffs in the catalog. So you just find it, rub your wrist on it, and you can smell the different fragrances that have those. We also have any athlete's foot cream and all kinds of other of the Hexashield line of antibiotic kind of creams and that. But this time, when you get them, you can get some band-aids for free. So check that out. And remember, I've told you about the CBD and the hemp. Well, CBD has a body balm, and we have them in two flavors, a jasmine and a geranium, and they're for the body. And then in the hemp line, we have a couple different lip balms in clear or tinted. And notice how close they look. So if you get them, make sure that you realize which one you have, if it's for the lips or for the body. And the Dr. Belmar, it has a lip balm now with cica in it. And remember, cica is a very healing agent. So great for the lips. And it's just a really nice, I like how it's designed. So it has a little, just like lipsticks do. And get your dental flosses from me, please, or your representative. My favorite dental floss is in our catalog. It's not in our catalogs. Yeah, it is. It's in our catalogs now. It was just in the flyers, but now it's on catalogs. My favorite one of all times. So it's an ultra clean one. So yes. And we have a bunch of fun jewelry. The one I have on, to see, it's just a really dainty little, it has CZs in it. And then it has it's all each one of them has like two pairs of earrings and a necklace. And this one has like hoops and the little studs. And then this is rose gold. We also have them they're all different, in gold or in silver. And so those are kind of fun. And then we have some our home products. If you haven't tried our home products, you should. The shoe deodorizer, you spray it in, let it dry a little bit, and you're good to go. And it does help cut down on this shoe smells. And I love our dishwasher soap. It's in a little in a plastic that is just dissolves, and it also has the agent for brightening your dishes. So it's all in one. And then we have little flyers. And if you haven't noticed our little flyers, um, we've been having a bunch of different kinds of socks, and they're two different colors, and they are compression. And so we also have them in pinks, but you get a pack in with them. And so compression for your feet is really good. And if you're walking a lot, that's a great thing to do. And another thing that's in that little flyer is ginseng. We have, and also the honey in it, and they come in little packets. And there are 30 packets in here. It does take like 6 years to make these because of the process. And the honey only is available the way when they harvest it, it's only available for like 24 days in a year. So it does take a process to make these. And so if you're wanting the benefits of ginseng and honey, we do have them. And I think I'm going to start putting these in my healthy shake, which is like yummy. And then, have you ever tried these? I had never tried these, and different ones I've asked, they said they have. Laundry anti-dyeing sheets. You just throw this in your wash. And so I tried it when I did my laundry this weekend. I put the colors and the whites all together. And guess what? I've never had my whites come out so clean. This helps pull that dyes and things from the colors out of you that's floating around in the water, and puts them on here and doesn't let them get on your whites. So this is going to be a must-have, and you get like 24 of them in this pack. And so yes, it's a great thing to do. Also, we have 10 different A boxes available right now, and so great, and you don't have to have any special purchase to get those. And then we have some bundles again, because remember it's our 135th anniversary, and because of that, we have bundles that are valued up to $135 for $50. We have a makeup one, and we have the hair and body one, and look at this skincare one. Is that an awesome skincare one or what? But for $50. So those are like great ones. And our edit brochure is still good. We have 13 bundles in there, and these are the different bundles that are available in there. And when you buy a bundle from there, you get the Green Goddess facial oil for free, and that's valued at $34.99. So great time for that. Thank you much for watching, and if you have any questions for myself or your reps, please reach out. Faye Swenson, Avon Independent Sales Rep and Master Recruiter with Avon. Have a great day. Thank you.